In this video, we are going to see a simple technique that will greatly improve the reliability of our Google Cloud hosted apps. Every time our app logs an exception, we will get an SMS notification on our phone. We are using a Python script hosted in Compute Engine, but the same technique can work with other Google Cloud products such as Cloud Functions, Kubernetes, etc. We have this Python script that is already running in a Compute Engine VM. At the top of the script, we are setting up cloud logging. If you want to see why we are doing this and also how to deploy a script to a Compute Engine VM, check out my video called Dockerize Python script and deploy to Compute Engine. There will be a card at the top. But the main logic of the script is that we have this infinite loop that repeats every 3 seconds. And it just increments one counter, so it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And every time we reach a multiple of 10, so 10, 20, etc., it will throw an exception that it is then logged to cloud logging. So basically every 30 seconds, the script will log an exception, and we can see it in here. So if we stream some logs in Google Cloud, we will see right now it's at 99, and when it reaches 100, we see this exception right here. And every time the script logs an exception, we want to be notified on our phone. Of course, if your script logs exceptions every 30 seconds, maybe turning on SMS notification is not the best idea, but for illustration purposes, we will turn it on. And basically what we need to do, go to resource in here, select our resource instance 1. And then for severity, we select error. And now there's this button here called create alert. So we create an alert, let's say instance exception. We hit next, the filter is good. Set notification frequency, let's say every 5 minutes, and the incident would auto-resolve in 30 minutes. Next, who should be notified? Let me move this window a little bit. So we need to manage notification channels. And in here we have options for PagerDuty, Slack, webhooks, email, etc. We're going to do SMS. 5990, that's my phone number. And let's do me. So there's a verification code that was sent. We just copy it. Okay, now it's valid. So in here we refresh this, and we select the notification channel, we hit save, and shortly we should see this alert working. Okay, I just got it on my phone. So if we go to my Google Fi messages, we see right here we got this text message, alert instance exception log match condition. Unfortunately, we don't see the exception message, but yeah, we will need to open our computer or open Google Cloud in the browser and see what the exception actually was. And if we need to turn on this alert because it's too noisy or something, you can search for alerting in the search bar. So we see here an incident was created, and inside alert policies, there's this toggle here, and we can just disable or even delete if we want. Actually, I'm going to delete it right now. As I said, if a script throws a lot of exceptions, this alert is not the best idea. But if it's already pretty stable and we're just trying to get to that last mile, then this will help. That's it for today. The source code will be in the video description. If you want to support the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.